aspirator taman iti tag mga lookan iti kwa full mga black beans tapos pinagilak ka pero ito yung gisaan ito yung dua kayo lang plus one child is umanay na yung talong ng kamot pinagpat bigla-bigla nga kasi malpot nga bisita sakto gagpat tayo yung matutunghayan mga kapatid nakikita nyo yung itag na nanggaling from the province of Apayao made from this is made by the Europe and the Sapio family make this one to this is a pig no the fatty pig and then they will cut this one and then put the salt and to under the sun and now I will cut this one the smallest particles. Oh, this is okay. This now is I will looking in a short distance. I will cut this one and you watch me. Oh, nangodel ah. Balik siguro dito yung pagkasaan. Oh, this is a big like to his teaching to me. Only the two cut is very good. So I will demonstrate how to cook in the beans, the black beans plus itag. Actually, we call this itag into the city of Apayao. How they call this itag, but in English is pig under the sun. Okay, so now this tukat is very good according to the teaching of Brother Joel Sapio. And this is very good for amount smoke. I will see you this one. Now the next is layak. I will cut in twice. Igurot naman na kagaya ko. Hinugasan lang ito. Kagaya namin na igurot. Hinugasan tapos. Ganun mo lang ng luya. Okay na yan. Basta dumaan sa tubig yan. Saka in the way into the water is very good. And now this is hard. You know, we'll practice all everything. So now I'll put now everybody. everybody and everything, whatever. I am finished now. And that is waiting for how many hours. Let's continue another hour.